As we all well know, life is a cycle. A revolving chain of kill or be killed. An endless line of the eaters and the eaten. Throughout history, the role of alpha predator has changed dramatically, beginning with the organisms that make up the plants and vegetation, to the animals that eat these, and of course those who eat them. But all through time this position has been filled by many different species. From the giant carnivorous insects to the bloodthirsty predators we know today, there has always been a dominant species threatening the rest. In the age of the dinosaurs, large toothy carnivores like T-Rex and velociraptors ruled the animal kingdom. In the seas, massive prehistoric whales and sharks controlled the waters along with squid and other monsters of the deep sea. The Ice Age was dominated by saber-tooths and snow leopards, maintaining the order of life on the planet. There were faunas grazing the grasslands. Somewhere around this time came the most dominant and violent species the world would ever know. Humans have claimed territory to nearly all parts of the globe. For centuries man has hunted and slain every creature on Earth, from fishing the seas and hunting animals to extinction, destroying wildlife habitats by logging and creating agricultural developments. Over time, the complexity of suburban living and rural farming areas have laid waste to many of the natural environment. On the African grasslands, big cats are the main predators. In the swamps and rivers, alligators and crocodiles are atop of the chain. But not all species have natural predators. Other than man, the elephants and hippo are nearly untouchable with their size and numbers. Herd animals tend to overcome threats by constantly moving from area to area. But this doesn't always ensure their safety. While large groups confuse and disorient predators, the young and weak are often drove away from the herd and killed, then eaten. Hunting in packs is a good move for predators also, strategically ensuring the group a better chance of a kill. Wolves are pack hunters. This is an effective way of feeding multiple members of the group. Then there's the predators of the sky, with excellent vision and aerial capabilities. Birds like falcons, eagles and owls rule the open sky. With no natural predators of their own, animals like tigers and grizzly bears are on top of the food chain without threat. There are also the smaller predators like badgers and Tasmanian devils. In the insect world, there are ruthless predators that devour their mates and offspring. And plants are sometimes carnivorous too. Plants such as the Venus flytrap and the purple pitcher plant. These plants may still generate energy through photosynthesis. They grow mostly in wet mountainous areas, and in places where the soil doesn't provide much value. They mainly thrive on nutrients from insects, although some plants even eat small rodents, like the purple pitcher plant. They're lured in by the sweetness of the nectar. Once they are in, they drown in the acidic liquid, and digested for the nutrients. Snakes eat mice and other rodents, which classes them as secondary consumers. They also eat frogs and other snakes, which classifies them as tertiary. All snakes are carnivores. Hawks and eagles eat snakes, and some birds primarily depend on snakes for prey. Roadrunners are well known for killing snakes. Some mammals like weasels and foxes eat snakes. Some bigger snakes eat other smaller snakes. Ecosystems exist to utilize energy and cycle matter. The bottom of the chain consists of organisms using photo or chemosynthesis, and have primary and secondary consumers depending on them, and then ultimately are consumed by decomposers, each making up a trophic level of the food chain.